and welcome back to yet another edition of Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. And today we are making, as promised, Pelau. Pelau is a one-pot dish loved by many locals here in Trinidad and Tobago. In Tobago, it is known as our national dish after crab and dumpling. So today let's get into it. So today in this pot we have here chicken with a guest appearance by Mr. Pigtail, just for additional flavor. We have here some dry pigeon peas, some kernel corn, carrots, sweet pepper, pimento pepper, onion, garlic. Our next guest appearance by Mrs. Ochro, chive, celery, fitweed, beni or bandania or cilantro, some oil for the caramelization process, some brown sugar, and some thyme sprigs. We also have here 4 cups of coconut milk, freshly squeezed, and 3 cups of rice. So we are now at the pot and we are ready to begin our caramelization process. So we already have the oil heated here on the stove and we are going to add our garlic. So our garlic is here and it's burning, and now I'm going to add to this the brown sugar. I have here approximately half cup brown sugar, and we're going to let this melt and start the caramelization process, and we are going to be back. So as I have the sugar browning, I'm going to tell you how I seasoned this chicken. So I made some green seasoning, nothing new to Trinidad and Tobago cooking. I used some black pepper, some hot sauce, some thyme, some chive, some garlic, some onion, some pimento. Aside from the green seasoning, I also added to this some white pepper powder and some parsley flakes. I stirred it all up and this is it here. Our seasoned chicken ready for the pilau. As you can see here, our caramelization process has started, and now we are going to get that brown color for the pilau. Now when doing pilau, you want to have a dark color because you want the rice to be colored as well. Not only you're coloring it for the chicken, but the rice also. So we're just going to bring this to a nice color and then add our chicken to the pot. So our sugar is now ready for our meat. And we're just going to stir that in. We're going to stir it in to get that beautiful color. Sorry about this steam in the camera, guys. I just want you all to get it up close. So our meat is added here, and we're just going to mix that up to get that beautiful color, and then we're going to come back adding the rice. So we're just going to let this sit here and steam for about 5 minutes approximately, and we're going to come back. We are back now, and the chicken has been on for roughly 10 minutes. And look at this beautiful color that has developed. This is an indication that the rice is ready to go into the pot. As you can see, the color is evenly distributed on the meat, and you have that nice caramel brown color. And now we're adding this rice to the pot. So we're going to stir this all up and combine that rice with the sauce from the chicken, and that is going to take that brown color as well. So as you can see here, it is well combined and all the rice is coated in this beautiful brown color. So now we are going to put this here, cover it down and leave it here to sit for approximately 5 minutes. As you can see here now, this rice is ready for the coconut juice. The color is distributed well. So now we're going to add the coconut juice to this pot. So now we're adding the coconut milk. And to this we're going to also add our dry pigeon peel and give this a good stir. Incorporating that pigeon peas well into the pot, and then we're going to cover this. We're going to cover this and let it come to a boil. So we are back, and as you can see, the rice is now to a boil, and we are going to add some more ingredients here. So first we're going to put some carrots, some corn, some sweet pepper, pimento, and our guest star, Mrs. Ochro. Now this Ochro, for all those lovers of moist, damp pilau, you're going to love the inclusion of the Ochro to this pilau. It's going to give it that extra moist, soft mushiness that you love. So we're just going to incorporate all these ingredients into the pilau. So we're just going to incorporate all these nice, lovely ingredients to our pilau. As you can see, look how beautiful that is. Look at those colors. This pilau is life. Look at that. Beautiful. And guys, the aroma as usual is out of this world. It's unspoken of. I can't explain the scent, the feeling I get from a great pilau. So now we're just going to let this simmer, and we're going to come back to add a next set of ingredients. Now we are back, and we are at our final stage, and this is the last addition of flavor to the pot. So we're going to add some onions. We are going to add our 2 sprigs of thyme. We're going to add some chive, some shadow beni, aka cilantro, pitweed, bandania. We're going to also add some celery to this. Some celery in there. And no pot is complete. No good pot to me is complete without some salt butter. Golden ray as usual. 2 tablespoons. We're going to add some black pepper to this. Some black pepper, a little black pepper. And we know by now, I don't finish my pot without some good old adobo all-purpose seasoning. And remember, as always, a little bit goes a long way. And the perfect seasoning, Goya brand. A little bit goes a long way, guys. Remember that. You don't want too much. You don't want your food to be salty. Yes. So we're going to give this a good stir. We're going to give this a good stir to combine all these wonderful, tasty aromatics. And we're going to come back with our food plated and ready to eat, guys. So we are back, and our pilau is finished and plated, and this is our end result. And trust me, this pilau recipe is to die for. It's amazing. I would like for you guys to try it out. Tag me to your results. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any social media platform. So I just want to say thank you again for the support. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you next time, guys. Bye.